No eyes, no light, no sound that you or I could detect. And yet, something is about to die. Not because the owl sees it, because the owl heard it. Through 3 feet of snow. This isn't luck. This isn't instinct in the way we normally mean it. This is a biological system so precise, scientists had to invent new ways to measure it. Most birds have ears on the sides of their head. Symmetrical, simple, functional. The barn owl's ears are not symmetrical. One sits higher than the other, deliberately. That asymmetry is the entire secret. Sound reaches each ear at a slightly different time, a fraction of a millisecond. The owl's brain, a brain the size of a walnut, processes that difference and triangulates the exact location of a sound source in 3 dimensions. Not approximately, exactly. Scientists tested this in complete darkness. 0 light, a mouse moving through dry leaves. Strike accuracy, over 95%. Then they added snow, 3 feet of it. The mouse was invisible, inaudible to us, buried. The owl still hit it on the first attempt. The face is not just a face, that heart-shaped disc, the feature that makes barn owls look almost alien, is a sound collector, a biological satellite dish. It funnels sound waves toward the ears with extraordinary precision. The feathers of that disc are arranged in a specific curve, stiff at the edges, soft toward the center, engineered over millions of years to capture frequencies that correspond exactly to the sounds small mammals make when they move. The owl isn't hearing more than you. It's hearing better, in the specific frequencies that matter, tuned, filtered, and processed by a brain that evolved to do one thing perfectly: find something that doesn't want to be found. And it does it in real time, in the dark, in silence. But here's what makes this stranger still. The owl is also silent when it hunts. Its wing feathers have a comb-like structure on the leading edge, designed to break up air turbulence before it becomes sound. The owl doesn't just hear perfectly, it disappears from hearing entirely while it does it. Think about what that means. The mouse has no warning, no wind, no wing beats, no rustle. The first thing it detects, if it detects anything at all, is the impact. This is not a predator that chases. This is a predator that solves. It computes a trajectory through 3-dimensional space, in the dark, based on a sound that lasted less than a second, and it arrives at the right place before the mouse moves again. We talk about human technology as if it's something new. Sonar, acoustic targeting, signal processing. The barn owl has been running all 3 simultaneously for tens of millions of years, in a skull the size of your fist, in total darkness. Every single night, the hidden inch isn't always something you can see. Sometimes it's something you can't even hear. If you want to know what the owl's eye can do, the answer is almost as strange as the ear. That one's next.